To look classy, you don't need to spend a lot of money on designer clothes and accessories. The key lies in dressing strategy, smart shopping, and making sure that your outfit looks sophisticated and thoughtful without overly screaming opulence. It's simply about creating a polished and sophisticated appearance. This video will show you how. So let's jump right in. I promise you, this is going to be the most valuable video you've watched this year. The right color choices can make a huge difference in how expensive and sophisticated your outfit looks. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, cream, navy, gold, camel, and taupe are timeless and extremely versatile. They can be easily mixed and matched, and they never go out of style. When using neutral colors, it's important to pay attention to the shades and textures. For example, a monochromatic outfit in shades of gray can look chic and expensive, especially when paired with high-quality materials like cashmere or silk. These neutrals create a soft look as opposed to bright and neons that is so elevated and luxurious. Make sure the tones you choose harmonize with one another and are all similar saturation levels of color. Bold colors like burgundy, red, and pink can add a pop of color to your outfit and make it look more expensive. However, it's important to use them strategically. A simple way to do this is by using bold colors as accents. For example, a burgundy scarf or a pair of red heels can add interest to a neutral outfit without overwhelming it. Another way to use bold colors is by pairing them with neutrals. For example, a bold red or burgundy coat paired with black pants can create a sophisticated and expensive look. Overall, choosing the right colors is an important part of looking expensive on a budget. By using neutral colors strategically and incorporating bold colors in a thoughtful way, you can create a stylish and sophisticated wardrobe without breaking the bank. When it comes to looking expensive on a budget, accessorizing smartly is key. The right accessories can elevate any outfit and make it look more polished and put together. Simple, classic accessories such as a leather watch or pearl earrings can add a touch of sophistication to an outfit. However, it is important not to go overboard with accessories, as this can detract from the overall look. Here are some tips on how to accessorize smartly. Simple jewelry is often the best choice when trying to look expensive on a budget. Stick to classic pieces like stud earrings, delicate necklaces, and simple bracelets or something more eye-catching. All register instantly as expensive, as long as they're quality and not tarnished, plastic, or costume. Avoid large, gaudy pieces that can look cheap. When it comes to metals, gold and silver are always a safe bet. If you're looking for something a little more unique, try mixing metals or incorporating some pearls or other natural stones. Go with whatever pieces that complement you, regardless of the trends, by picking the material and design that looks best with your coloring, skin tone, and shape. On the other hand, wardrobe accessories can be absolute game changers, and the often overlooked belt will redefine any outfit. A defined waist gives your look structure and elegance. For example, a thin, classy belt in neutral patent leather is super versatile. In general, consider the width of the belt in relation to your outfit. Skinny belts work well with dresses and high-waisted trousers, while broader belts can be paired with oversized shirts, coats, or flowy dresses to add some nice architecture. A structured bag can instantly elevate any outfit and make it look more expensive. Look for bags made from high-quality materials like leather or suede. You wouldn't immediately consider body type when choosing a handbag, but the right style for your stature will make or break your ability to pull off an expensive look. Bags are statement pieces, and you want that statement to proclaim how graceful and in check you are. Pick a design that best fits your height and weight will make all the difference. A giant bucket shoulder bag looks incredible on a woman 5'7" and above, but can instantly make a more petite woman look frumpy. For those women, something small and structured will work really well. A universal handbag shape for everyone is a simple medium crossbody or shoulder bag. In all cases, avoid too much hardware and keep things structured and classic, so you wear it and it doesn't wear you. Footwear can often be the deciding factor between a hit or a miss in the style department. Because people notice right away what's on your feet. So you want your shoe choice to send a classy message. For example, if you wear heels, then 2.5 to 4 inches high, pointed toe and suede will make your legs look long, and it is simply classic. For flats, a cap-toed version are a hallmark of luxury and affluence. When it comes to looking expensive on a budget, confidence can make all the difference. A person who is confident exudes an air of sophistication and elegance, regardless of what they are wearing. They walk with purpose, maintain eye contact, and speak with conviction. This level of confidence can make even the simplest outfit look expensive. On the other hand, a person who lacks confidence may slouch, avoid eye contact, and speak in a timid tone. This can make even the most expensive outfit look cheap. Looking expensive is not about showing off your wealth or status, it's about presenting yourself in a way that exudes confidence and sophistication. Awesome sunglasses are your quickest glamour add-on. Oversized and classic wayfarers exude a bit of mysterious charm that's reminiscent of old Hollywood glam. You want to ensure the frame complements your face shape and doesn't completely overwhelm you. And while black frames are evergreen, tortoiseshell adds some variety to your look. You can't go wrong with either. Minimal makeup is the key to looking expensive on a budget. Instead of piling on layers of foundation and heavy eye makeup, focus on enhancing your natural beauty with simple, understated makeup. A good tinted moisturizer, mascara, and lip balm can go a long way in enhancing your natural features. Remember to moisturize your skin regularly to keep it looking healthy and radiant. Hydrated skin looks more youthful and vibrant, which can help you look more expensive without spending a fortune. When it comes to dressing expensively on a budget, it's all about the details. Paying attention to the little things can make a big difference in how your outfit looks and feels. This includes things like making sure your clothes fit well, keeping your clothes clean and polished, and investing in quality accessories. An effortlessly stylish fashion journey comes with a ton of trial and error. Fashion mistakes are going to be made, and that's why this channel was born, to help you be stylish and sophisticated without breaking the bank, so be sure to like and subscribe and join us through the journey. If you find this video to be very informative, then it's a guarantee you will find the topics on our blog to be very helpful. You can find the links to our blog articles in the description box below.